2% is not their invention.
It's
mine. I plead guilty. I woke up one day and said, no. Everybody has been attacking me about austerity. I said, I'm sick and tired of being attacked for austerity. This time I'm going to raise tax. Then I called Duncan and the team. I said, put 2% VAT. Are you sure, Minister? I said, yes. And then on the weekend, Duncan phoned me and said, Minister, are you sure? Are you not going to change? Because if you change, we'll have to change the budget date. I said, I'm not changing. I'm forging ahead.